In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Claude AI Getting 529 overloaded error. Let's get started. First thing you should know is that error 529 is generally a server-side issue. When too many people are using Claude at the same time, the servers can become overloaded, causing some requests to fail. So you can check the server status of Claude. Head over to the official website of Claude, that is status.claude.com. Now, if you found out any outages over here, all you have to do is wait. Server traffic changes throughout the day, so a request that fails now may work perfectly just a short time later. While you are waiting, avoid repeatedly clicking the send button. Another effective solution is to simplify your request. If you're uploading large files, reviewing lengthy documents or code, or submitting very long prompts, try breaking them into smaller sections. Sending shorter prompts or splitting large tasks into multiple requests reduces the amount of processing required and can improve the chances of a request being completed successfully. If you're using Claude in a web browser, you can try refreshing the page or clearing cache and cookies of the browser. First, click on this refresh icon given at the top left. Repeat this process for several times. After you do that, click on three dots given at the top right. Then select the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on site settings. Click on view permission. Here search for Claude. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Likewise, you can also check the browser extension. For that, navigate to this section of extensions. If you found out any suspicious extensions over here or any ad blockers or VPN enabled, you will need to remove it or temporarily disable it. Also check for browser updates. If any new updates are available for your browser, just update it. Likewise, next thing you can do is sign out of your Claude account, wait for a few minutes and log in back. Also ensure you have stable internet connection. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.